morning, students and dear parents. Welcome to Standard 2 Mathematics Revision class. Today, we are going to revise the question pattern. Remember, children, we are revising the question pattern. But now, as we are having online exams, your questions will be of objective form with 4 options. You have to choose the correct option. Okay, children? Now, let's start with the class. Do as directed. Number 1. Write the numeral for 5608. Numeral for 5608. Question number 2. What is the predecessor of 1900? Predecessor means before number. So it will be 1899. Question number 3. What is the place value of 5 in 4562? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Here we have hundreds place 5. So it will be 500. Moving to next question. 12 multiplied by itself is dash. 12's table everyone knows. 12 12s are 144. Question number 5. 1200 plus 1800 paise. 1200 paise plus 1800 paise is equal to rupees dash. Here you have to add two numbers and convert it into rupees. 1200 plus 1800, you will get 3000. So now you have to, what is the process of converting? You have to divide by 100. Easy way to divide by 100. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros away the point. So it will be rupees 30. Okay, children? Our next topic is division with remainder. Division is equal sharing or equal distribution. But sometimes we cannot divide equally. Let's see some examples. Here I have 7 lollipops. Can you see, children? Do you like it? Yes. I have to distribute it equally among 3 students. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. When I distributed 2 each, 1 is left. This is called remainder. Let's do one more example. Here I have 14 pens. I have to distribute among 4 children equally. If I distribute 3 each, 1, 2, 3, 4 students. How many left, children? 2 left. So this is called remainder. Now let's do some on the board. Find the remainder. Number 1, you have to divide 67 by 8. How many 8s goes in 67, children? 8 8s are 64. Now you have to subtract. 7 minus 4, 3. So your remainder is 3. Let's do the next one. How many 9s goes in 58? You have to say the multiplication table and find. 9 6 are 54. Again you subtract. 8 minus 4, 4. So your remainder is 4. We have one more example. Here you have to divide 65 by 7. So you say the table. 7 6 are 7 6 are 7 9s are 63. So now you have to subtract 5 3 from 5. How much, children? 2. So what is the remainder here? Number 2 is the remainder. Let's do word problems of division with remainder. Look at the board, children. Question number 1. 28 children are divided into 3 teams. How many children are left now? Here you have to write the short statements and find out the remainder. Let's do. How many children? So you have to write number of children. How many children? 28. Next one. How many teams? So, number of teams. Number of teams is 3. Now you have to find out how many children are left. Number of children left. Now you have to do the work and find out. Let's divide. 28 divided by 3. How many times 3 goes in 28? 3 nines are 27. Subtract. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 7, 1. So, here your number of children left, remainder is 1. Understood, children? Let's do the next one. Read the question carefully. 18 marbles are to be distributed among 5 boys. How many marbles are left? Here also you have to write the statements. Number of marbles is equal to 18. Now, number of boys. Equal to 5. Now, how many marbles left? Number of marbles. Marbles left. Now we have to do the work and find out. Divide 18 by 5. Say the table of 5, children. 5 3s are 15. Subtract 8 minus 5, 3. So how many marbles are left? 3 marbles are left. Our next topic is fractional numbers. Fractional numbers are equal or unequal parts of one whole. Let's see some figures, children. Here it is a circle. Can you see, children? It is one whole. Now let us divide it. Now look at here, children. It is divided into 2 equal parts. So we can say 1 by 2. Now let's see another one. Here the whole 3 part is shaded. 1 is not shaded. So it is 1 by 4. Let's do one more. Look at here, children. 3 part is shaded. So 3 by 4. This way, let's do on the board. Look at the board, children. I have given some figures. Now what is the question? Shade the figures which shows 2 equal parts of one whole. Here figures are given. It's a circle. Here it's a square, triangle and a rectangle. Now you will see which part is equally divided. Can you shade equally divided, children? Yes. Here it is equally divided 2 portions. Let's shade. Now next figure, is it equally divided, children? No, one is small and the other one is big. So now next figure, here triangle is equally shaded, equally distributed. Let us shade one part. This is 2 equal parts. Is this figure equal parts, children? Not at all. One is small and the other one is big. So you don't have to do. The next question, let's see. Write the fraction made by shaded portion of the figures given below. The question is, you have to write the number, fractional number of the shaded figure. This is one whole. It is divided into 2 equal parts and the shaded parties always come here and the total number of portions comes down. So it will be 1 by 2. Right, children? Let's do the next one. What is this figure? It's a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes are there. Shaded into 4. And how many are shaded? 2 portions are shaded. So you will write 2 by 4. This is the fractional number for this figure. Next one is, let's see, the whole is divided into 3. 1, 2, 3 portions. Now the shaded part is only 1. So what will be the fractional number, children? It will be 1 by 3. Now let's do the third question. Question number 3. Shade to show the fraction written below. Here fractional numbers are written below. You have to shade according to the number. Here it is given 1 by 3. How to do, children? The whole is 3 portions, that is 3. Now you have to shade the number which is above the line. So 1 I have to shade. Let's do. Okay, children, next one. Here 1 by 4. So how many portions we have to shade? We have to shade only one portion out of 4. So let's do one. Come on, next one. The portion above the line is 2. So how many portions you have to shade, children? It is 2 by 4. So 2 portions you have to shade. Come on, next one. It is 3 by 5. So you have to shade how many portions? 3. Out of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to shade 3. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3 portions you have shaded. Understood, children? Children, worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on your school website. Kindly go through them and learn, prepare well for your exams. Okay, children? Thank you.